In what year was the Communist Party of India founded? A. 1928. Born in 1922. Circa 1920. D. 1919. The correct answer is circa 1920. What was the name of the territory in the north taken over after defeating Mahendravarman? A. Badami. B. Mamallapuram. C. Vengi. D. Vatapi. The correct answer is C. Vengi. Which group of Palyakaras did Puliteva wield much influence over? A. Southern Palyakaras. B. Eastern Palyakaras. C. Northern Palyakaras. D. Western Palyakaras. The correct answer is D. Western Palyakaras. From where did the loyal Sikh army proceed to Delhi? A. Bombay. B. Madras. C. Punjab. D. Calcutta. The correct answer is D. Calcutta. Who is mentioned in relation to the start of the Archaeological Survey of India? A. Robert Clive. B. William Jones. C. Alexander Cunningham. D. Lord Curzon. The correct answer is C. Alexander Cunningham. Which port is mentioned in the Periplus as collecting duty on steel imported from peninsular India to Rome? A. Alexandria. B. Carthage. C. Rome. D. Athens. The correct answer is A. Alexandria. During which phase was India converted into a market for British textiles? A. Financial capitalism phase. B. Industrial capitalist phase. C. Outright plunder phase. D. Mercantilist phase. The correct answer is B. Industrial capitalist phase. Which animal was significant in Vijayanagar-style architecture? A. Horse. B. Bull. C. Lion. D. Elephant. The correct answer is A. Horse. Where did humans stay for a long period, developing agriculture and handicraft skills? A. Deserts. B. Plains. C. Mountains. D. Forests. The correct answer is B. Plains. What was the punishment for plotting against the king during Harsha's reign? A. Death penalty. B. Fine. C. Life imprisonment. D. Exile. The correct answer is C. Life imprisonment. Which groups did the British turn away from in their recruiting efforts after 1857? A. Rajput, Brahmins, and North Indian Muslims. B. South Indian princes and zamindars. C. Marathas and Sikhs. D. Gurkhas and Pathans. The correct answer is A. Rajput, Brahmins, and North Indian Muslims. What two territories did Austria agree to annex? A. Macedonia and Thrace. B. Serbia and Montenegro. C. Bosnia and Herzegovina. D. Albania and Kosovo. The correct answer is C. Bosnia and Herzegovina. Where was Bahadur Shah transported after being captured? A. Punjab. B. India. C. Burma. D. Bengal. The correct answer is C. Burma. What type of structure is described as being used for the stay of Buddhist monks? A. Chaitya Hall. B. Mandir. C. Stupa. D. Buddha Vihara. The correct answer is D. Buddha Vihara. Through which ports might some Chinese silk have reached Rome? A. Ports of India. B. Ports of Tamilgam. C. Ports of China Sea. D. Ports of Greece. The correct answer is B. Ports of Tamilgam. Who was the greatest ruler of the Satvahan family? A. Gautamiputra Shatkarni. B. Vasudev. C. Narayana. D. Susarman. The correct answer is A. Gautamiputra Shatkarni. What religious affiliation characterized the Chola rulers? A. Jains. B. Saivites. C. Vaishnavites. D. Buddhists. The correct answer is B. Saivites. Who confiscated the tax money from Muhammad Ali? A. Chinnamlai. B. Tipu Sultan. C. The company government. D. Tirthagiri. The correct answer is D. Tirthagiri. What industries flourished during the Gupta period? A. Agriculture and animal husbandry. B. Tourism and hospitality. C. Software development and electronics. D. Mining and metallurgy. The correct answer is D. Mining and metallurgy. What was a primary focus of the first 3 5-year plans? A. Expansion of the service sector. B. Development of the consumer goods sector. C. Promotion of cottage industries. D. Development of the capital goods sector. The correct answer is D. Development of the capital goods sector. Which commercial crop is mentioned as expanding in production between 1500 AD and 1550 AD? A. Cotton. B. Tea. C. Rice. D. Wheat. The correct answer is A. Cotton. Which two great kingdoms emerged in the south? A. Kaktiya and Hoysala. B. Vijayanagar and Gulbarga, Bahmani. C. Chola and Pandya. D. Pallav and Chera. The correct answer is B. Vijayanagar and Gulbarga, Bahmani. Which specific rock-cut monuments are mentioned as exemplifying the Tamil Dravida tradition? A. Kailas Temple. B. Shore Temple. C. Brihadiswarar Temple. D. Pacha Pandav Rathas. The correct answer is D. Pacha Pandav Rathas. What did educated Hindus gain from the rational and scientific interpretation of Hindu scriptures? A. Pride in their tradition and culture. B. Skepticism about their heritage. C. A desire to convert to other religions. D. Disinterest in religious practices. The correct answer is A. Pride in their tradition and culture. When did a major split occur in Jainism? A. 5th century BC. B. 1st century AD. C. 1st century BC. D. 3rd century AD. The correct answer is C. 1st century BC. What is Vasti land classified as during the Gupta period? A. Is wasteland. B. Pastoral land. C. Jungle land. D. Habitable land. The correct answer is D. Habitable land. Who occupied the southern half of Vietnam after the Potsdam decision? A. Chinese troops. B. American troops. C. Ho Chi Minh's forces. D. British troops. The correct answer is B. American troops. During which period did the tempo of urbanization increase? A. Mughal period. B. Naulya period. C. Vijayanagar period. D. Gupta period. The correct answer is C. Vijayanagar period. Sutkagador is mentioned in relation to which civilization? A. Greek civilization. B. Indus civilization. C. Chinese civilization. D. Roman civilization. The correct answer is B. Indus civilization. Which of the following is described as a poetic theme meaning a class or category? A. Cameo. B. Thinai. C. Arthashastra. D. Arikamedu. The correct answer is B. Thinai. How did you score?